Hey, what's going on, everyone?
Okay, so this is by far the biggest box I have unboxed. But what's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Mishimoto M Line Intercooler that we're going to be using on the single turbo build for the B5 S4. Before we get started, I wanted to ask you to please like and subscribe, and also hit that bell icon so that you're notified whenever we release some new videos. There's going to be a lot coming soon. We got pretty much all the parts we need to get the single turbo build going, so the content's going to be pouring in. Make sure you keep up to date. Alright, so let's jump into this one. So again, Mishimoto M Line, huge thanks and shout out to Mishimoto. They've been great help, awesome to talk to, and also just for making amazing products with a great warranty. So let's get started. So we'll go ahead and break the tape here. And before we do that, just give you a quick guide around the box. So big Mishimoto up top, same thing on the other side. Right here you got the orange logo, just how to communicate with them, which way up, from concept to competition, and same thing on the other side here. Now we'll open, you get the shiny cardboard on the inside. Get rid of that foam. And you're greeted with the intercooler right there, front and center. So we'll pull that out. Well, I was gonna say there's not really much else in the box before I almost crap myself after I dropped this. But just more foam in the box and a little Mishimoto care package, looks like. So we'll look into that. So in the care package that I don't have to slice open, yes I do. We have a little brochure. Get with the program, Mishimoto Rewards Program. And the very famous Mishimoto Penguin air freshener. It smells like some chemical guy stuff I have. Alright, let's get into the intercooler now. So this is all sealed up. Alright, I do get to slice this one open too. So we'll come over on this side. Cut that open. And we'll slide the intercooler out. And boom, there it is. So we did go with the stealthy black intercooler. I think it'll be a great look for the car, being that the car is red. Most of the other accents on the car are black, so it just goes well with what's going on. I'm probably going to powder coat the intercooler piping a matte black as well to go well with the intercooler. Surprisingly, compared to other intercoolers I've seen, this one's very see-through. Also very light. Construction looks very good, and tanks look great. Never really heard of any quality issues with Mishimoto. You got the big white M up front. They also keep the back of it pretty clean, so in case you don't want to show anything there, they have that completely clear for you. So it's nice, keeps it a little more stealthy if you want it that way. Honestly, I always thought that with the M, they just didn't spray this piece of the intercooler, or didn't powder coat it, but it's actually just white spray paint. I don't know. I thought it was different, but still very nice. So overall, very good construction. Everything looks great. This intercooler is the M Line. It's rated for about 650 horses. Not aiming for that much. I'll be around 600. The next line up is the S Line. That intercooler is a 4-inch thickness. This one 3-inch. I didn't want to go with an intercooler that was too thick because I didn't want to run into any issues with fitment. This is the same exact thickness you get with most of the front mount intercoolers for the 2.7 engine, even when you run into twin turbos. So I think it'll definitely flow enough for us to get good cooling on the 5858. Speaking of cooling, it is hot as hell here in Jersey. My garage is boiling and I can't turn on the fan because then you guys can't hear me and it's a pain. So that's the intercooler. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope to catch you guys on the next one. Remember to please like and subscribe and also hit that bell icon. I also uploaded the unboxing to my Precision 5858 Turbo not too long ago. Make sure you guys check that out. I'm doing a t-shirt giveaway on that one. All you have to do is subscribe, like, and comment on the video. And I'm giving away 2 free t-shirts to celebrate my 1,000 subscribers. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.